Good morning, boys. It has been a minute that I have not been home in Miami. I'm finally back from a week of vacation. Wouldn't even call it vacation, but pretty good trading week to say the least. This sums up my last few trading days right here. Let me just plop in my calendar up there for you guys. This is my month at a glance for you guys to see. Pretty consistent. You guys know how I trade. I risked heavy the first few days on the account to build my buffer, hence the $800 wins and $1,000 losing days, right? Those are two $800 or two $600 losses, right? Risking pretty heavy the first week, $1,000 a day, just to build my buffer. And once I build my buffer, you can see how I trade. I literally just go for winning days. I stack winning days, and this P&L has gotten me to $26,000 in payouts this month. Something like that. I did 30,000 this month, but 20,000 from Lucid and 10,000 from Tradeify, right? So now we have 5 Tradeify instant fundings. They're at $500. That is from what day is it? Today's Wednesday, so if those $500 were from Monday, I haven't traded them in 2 days. Lucid, 500 on the day again, so $2,500, or sorry, no, 450 times 4. Let's just call it $2,000 for the thumbnail. Even though it's 1,750 technically. Let's call it 2,000, right? Let me go over the trade. So coming into Asia, I did trade Asia just because it's currently 8 a.m. for me. 8:39 a.m. as you can tell by the timestamp at the bottom. I had a flight overnight and I didn't know if it was going to get delayed or not, so I was just going to trade Asia to play it safe. And we can see here, market closes right here. Market closes right here. Right, so the hourly is clearly very bearish. I see this is the next draw on liquidity. I'm going to short to this draw on liquidity. Do we get an entry? Yes. 6 p.m. opens. We're trading in this gap, right? 6 p.m. actually opens here. We're already trading this 15-minute bearish gap. So I don't even care for us to push any higher, right? We have a 15-minute order block as well. We end up tapping all of this. Now, unfortunately, I wasn't even on the charts this early. When I opened the charts, price was all the way down here. So I did wait for a little retrace. If we get our fib, 0.5 of the range. I actually entered, I think, here with stops here. And then I re-entered. I added an extra contract once we rejected 0.5 of the range to the tick. And I did end up making around $460 like you saw earlier per funded account. So not a bad trading day at all. Trade was basically based off a draw liquidity, imbalance plus EQ, and a rejection. Stops were above OTE of the range, right? Pretty simple trade. Now, I honestly would have traded AM session, which I'm not going to. I would have loved to. I am bullish for the day. Why was I only bearish to these draws? This is new week opening gap. We never filled it until now, and we finally filled new week opening gap. I tell you guys, it is a very prominent draw on liquidity. New week opening gap should always be fully filled. I don't know why we filled it this way. It was very weird. Usually we're just gonna fully fill it on Monday or Tuesday and then reverse and continue throughout the week. But for some weird reason, we chose to reverse into it, edge the fill, continue higher, and then fully reverse lower. I am still bullish on the day. However, I will tell you this. My draws on liquidity were already met. There's really not much for me to target as a trader. If London, Midnight Open, and Asia were all swept already, right? Sadly, I can't do anything about that. Maybe New York PM high, maybe yesterday's 3-day open. I don't trade that way. I like trading current day session liquidity. So because of that, I will not be trading 9:30 a.m. today. And I'm also just done trading for the month, right? Price action today, will it be clean? Probably. I'm happy with the money I made this month. I am happy with the funding I have going into next month. I've put myself in a good situation. I need 2 more winning days for another $8,000 payout and 4 more winning days on Tradeify for a $10,000 payout. So hopefully by the end of next week, I'll have $20,000 in payouts to show for the first week of January, which would be fantastic, right? Start to a great month. But yeah, for today I am bullish. No reason to be bearish, in my opinion, even though we are trading in a bearish 4-hour gap, bearish 1-hour range. I don't want you guys to get confused because I do believe the only reason we pushed lower was to fill the new week opening gap. Once again, I could be completely wrong, but that is my current judgment of the day. I do think we just pushed lower to take our new week opening gap. Like I mentioned before, this was a very obvious AMD setup. Accumulation, manipulated, we swept the top, distributed down here, 15-minute gap. So look at this bullshit. Accumulation, manipulation, distribute to the downside, wait for a 15-minute gap tap. We also tapped this 15-minute order block, I think. I don't even know. I doubt we actually did. No, we did. Push lower, EQ of a range to New York lunch lows, right? Pretty clean short, in my opinion. I really like that short. It was very obvious setup, and as of today, I would have loved to long to Asia and London, but we pumped pre-market, so we couldn't do anything about it. Very unfortunate, but nothing we can do about it. Besides wait till January 2nd to trade. Right, tomorrow is a bank holiday. Sadly, I hate that, but tomorrow is a bank holiday, so I hope you guys have a blessed day. Trade safe. Remember, some prop firms are running some crazy discounts right now. I know Lucid is like 30 or 40% off, 50% for some people. Tradeify is also 35% off, so I would definitely take advantage of that. And Alpha Futures is 25% off. So if you guys do want to take advantage of prop firms, use my code. I would appreciate that. Code ALE for the best percentage off any account size. And if you guys are ever in doubt of what percentage off a prop firm is, my code would automatically match the best discount for you guys. That is the way I have it set up. So I hope you guys have a great day. Any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Free Discord is in bio, and I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.